This is the ROTOCHOPPER Go Bagger 250. Hitch up the 4,500-pound Go Bagger 250 to your half-ton pickup, and let's head down the road for nice profits bagging just about anything you can think of. We'll show you the 250 Standard and the 250 HP models. We'll start out with the less expensive Standard model first. Once on the job site, crank down all four stabilizing legs. The legs can be used to level the unit on uneven surfaces, even to the point of lifting the wheels off the ground if necessary. The Standard model uses a roller conveyor for moving the filled bags that's easily moved from transport to operation position in seconds. The roller assembly is cranked down to an optimum operating height depending on the size of bags you'll be using. The key to the system is our unique bagging head that precisely dispenses material into the bags that are held in place with hydraulic jaws. The filled bags are then moved on the roller conveyor to this 24-inch hot impulse bag sealer. The sealing time is adjustable to best suit your bag stock. Both the bag head and sealer units are activated by foot switches that are plugged into the side of the 250. The tray that holds the bags swings out from the left side of the 250 and is held in place with locking pins. The bags are then loaded into the tray. There are lots of sizes of bags available, and your ROTOCHOPPER customer service representative can suggest the best bags for your needs and where they can be purchased. The brain of the 250 is this PLC that can be set to dispense material by time or weight. The settings that work best for you can be stored in memory. S-beam weigh cells are tied into the programmable controller to provide a precisely filled bag based on the weight you program. Both Go Bagger 250 models come with a large and a small bagging head for large and small bags that can be easily changed out in just a few minutes. An electric key starter brings a highly dependable 20-horsepower Kubota diesel engine to life for another day of bagging. A combination oil temperature and level gauge is mounted to the 20-gallon hydraulic oil tank. A full tank of diesel runs the machine all day. A 5,000-watt generator supplies electricity for various components. Hydraulic motors operate the agitator and hopper belt. Here's a look inside the 2.5-yard hopper, where the agitator keeps the material loose and the conveyor belt moves the material to the bagging head. The speed of the hopper conveyor belt is fully hydraulically adjustable with this control. The direction of the beater agitator is controlled by this lever. The agitator can be removed if you're bagging items like potatoes or rock that don't need agitation. Let's load the 2.5-yard hopper and get to work. Our first job will be to bag shelled corn. A bag is placed into the jaws of the bagging head. The foot switch is pressed and released. The bag precisely fills by the weight or time parameters you've programmed into the programmable controller. When the bag is full, the jaws will automatically release and the bag drops to the roller conveyor and is moved to the sealing unit to be sealed. The bag is placed in the impulse sealer. The foot switch is pressed and the bag is perfectly sealed based on the time set. The Go Bagger 250 can be operated by one person, but a 4-person crew consisting of a hopper loader, a bagger, a sealer, and a person to stack the full bags on pallets will maximize production rates. Here's the 250 in action, bagging outdated cereal that can be sold for animal feed. Our professional bagging crew today is being made up of ROTOCHOPPER factory workers who volunteered to help us out with this demonstration. They had never worked the 250 before, proving this machine is very easy to set up and operate. If your loader has a lower lift height, the side panel of the hopper can be easily removed. Now let's move up to the ROTOCHOPPER 250 HP high production model. It's very similar to the Standard model, but the HP features an electric variable speed takeaway conveyor. The foot switches and power cords for the conveyor belt and the electric sealer are plugged into the outlets on the end of the 250. Before operating the 250, make sure you provide adequate electrical grounding for the unit. The 250 HP also features a more sophisticated water-cooled bag sealing unit. An electric hydraulic fluid cooler is also standard on the HP. Well, it's time to get a few bags filled. Let's try our luck with some colored mulch produced by one of our ROTOCHOPPER grinder colorizer machines. Nice looking stuff that will bring a top price. The control panel now also includes the conveyor controls. Here's the takeaway conveyor ready to go. It's powered by this electric motor. The bagging head for the BAGGER HP is the same unit found on the standard 250 model, but the HP offers significant production rate increases due to the powered conveyor system and the feed-through design of the water-cooled bag sealer. Just feed the bag into the sealer, and its moving belt system automates the sealing process. Two key issues related to your decision to purchase a ROTOCHOPPER BAGGER 250 are probably complexity and maintenance. We've designed this machine with the least possible number of moving parts. That translates into minimum maintenance for you in the field. All technology used in the machine is time-tested and proven. This all adds up to a high reliability factor. You can be assured your ROTOCHOPPER BAGGER 250 will operate day in and day out. Now here's a unique material, shredded tires. And a look inside the hopper to see the agitator and hopper belt in action. These shredded tires will be going to police firing ranges for use in their backstops to catch spent rounds. And this time, a two-man crew is working this BAGGER 250 HP. You can expect to fill about 40 2-cubic-foot bags from a full 2.5-yard load in the hopper before refilling. And the BAGGER 250 can bag just about anything you can imagine. We'll be glad to set up a demo just for you if you'd like also. The BAGGER 250 Standard and 250 HP are the two most affordable automated bagging machines on the market. And since they're built by ROTOCHOPPER, you know they're just about bulletproof to stay up and running on the job. Fill it, seal it, sell it. Two exciting models of the ROTOCHOPPER BAGGER 250.